I'm in Mpumalanga, dog! Mpumalanga, dog! And I'm about to swim in some of like the natural water here that comes from the mountains. Let me show you the place.
Doesn't this just look like a slice out of heaven? The sun peeking over the clouds and this crystal clear river water flowing straight from the mountains, creating these natural pools that you can swim in with little waterfalls and sometimes big waterfalls, but the view is just amazing.
So why I'm so excited to swim here is that you hardly find clean bodies of water in South Africa. So today is the day, bro! Today is the day, bro! Like, you can't tell me that doesn't look so inviting and just so crispy, bro. It looks so crispy, bro. Let's go dive in, bro. Woo! The worst part is always getting in, dude. And then even worse than that is always like, for a guy, it's wetting your dude. That's like the hardest part.
The water was really cold, but it felt so amazing being in here. Mpumalanga has honestly become one of my favorite places to go to. Its natural beauty is honestly so astounding, and I'm surprised that more people don't rave about it. Sadly, my trip to it this time had to be cut a bit short due to unforeseen circumstances. I absolutely cannot wait to go back and explore more of the beauty that it has to offer, and to share that beauty with you guys.